Hello, everyone. Welcome to the discussion. And in this discussion today, we are exploring how Nigeria's rich culture and culinary heritage connects the global hospitality, education, and artificial intelligence through the work of IHM and the International Young Chef Olympiad. Joining me today is my colleague Vinny Parwani, who will help us understand today how the tradition and technology comes in together with the modern hospitality. Welcome, Vinny.
Thank you. It's great to be a part of this discussion.
To set with the foundation, let's begin with the geography. Nigeria is often described as the uh, gateway of West Africa. And could you please explain me why this location is significant for the global trade and hospitality?
Sure, as you can see in the map, Nigeria is located in west of the Africa, bordered by Niger, Chad, Cameroon, and the Atlantic Ocean. Its coastal access has historically connected it to the trade routes and cultural exchanges.
Great, that connection to trade and movement clearly plays a role in the hospitality. How does geography influence Nigeria's hospitality and food culture?
Nigeria's geography shapes its ingredients, travel patterns, and cultural interactions, all of which influence the hospitality traditions of the country.
Right. So I think Nigeria's cultural depth did not develop overnight, but it is rooted in centuries of history. Could you briefly highlight the key historical influences uh, that have shaped the country?
Sure, Nigeria's depth did not develop overnight. There were major civilizations, and Nigeria was home to such civilizations like Nok civilization, the Benin Kingdom, and the Oyo Empire.
And these civilizations weren't just political powers, right? They shaped social values as well. And how do they connect to the hospitality? Could you please explain?
These civilizations emphasized community livings, celebrations, shared meals, which are all central to the hospitality culture of the country.
Okay. Food often tells a story of a culture better than anything else, right? So, how would you describe the Nigeria's culinary identity in the whole of the global trade, and what is your point of view about it?
If I were to describe Nigeria's food in one line, it would be the food culture reflects its diversity, traditions, and regional influences.
Right, that's really good, and the diversity shows up clearly on the plate. And whether like what are the some key ingredients and iconic dishes that define the Nigerian cuisine? Could you please let me know?
Nigeria has a varied set of cuisines and food, and some of the staples include rice, yam, cassava, and plantain, along with dishes like jollof rice, egusi soup, suya, and pounded yam.
Wow. So Nigerian cuisine is just not about flavors but meaning also, right?
Yes, exactly. Food represents unity, identity, and social connection amongst the country and the country people.
That's very great to know. And according to me, when a cuisine with such depth enters an international platform, it becomes a form of cultural storytelling. And what does Nigeria's participation in the IHM's Young Chef Olympiad represent?
Yes, as we all know, Nigeria's contestant, Chef Alan from CMK Culinary School, has participated in the International Institute of Hotel Management's Young Chef Olympiad 2026. It allows the Nigerian chefs to showcase their national cuisine while aligning with the global hospitality standards.
Okay, so the Olympiad also becomes a competitive and a cultural stage for them to explore their skills and platform and project their skills to the globe.
Yes, definitely. This competition is a blend of tradition with the global exposure to showcase their talents across the world and to the audience.
Right, okay, so let's zoom out for a moment, and for the listeners unfamiliar with IIHM, where does it fit into the global hospitality education?
IIHM, the International Institute of Hotel Management, focuses globally on the hospitality education and international exposure to its students and the who are willing to continue their career in the hospitality sector.
Okay, so IIHM often says that it is not merely experimenting with the AI but architecting it, and that's a powerful statement which is made by them. What does it actually mean in the practice? Like, what is it?
It means that AI and IIHM is structured and intentional through what's called the IHM Neural Knowledge Nexus.
Great. So AI isn't replacing human expertise. Is it like strengthening or what is it? Could you please explain it to me?
Yes, definitely it's not replacing, but it is integrating human knowledge, cultural heritage, and the industry needs.
Great. Hospitality is a fast changing and fast moving industry. And how does AI help IHM to stay relevant in today's world and be future focused?
Using artificial intelligence, it enables real time learning, adaptability, and alignment with the global industry trends, which keep on changing every now and then.
That balances between innovation and academic credibility seems crucial, and it is IHM's priorities. And also, one of the concerns with technology is that the losing of tradition. How does IHM ensure that culture isn't affected or left behind by that?
AI is used to document culinary heritage and responsibly integrate traditional cuisines, including Nigeria's, into hospitality education. It is giving a platform for all the countries to showcase their talents across the world.
Okay, so for IHM, the technology becomes a tool for presentation and preservation, not replacement.
Yes, this is what IHM is focusing on. We are here to preserve and not to replace.
Great. Bringing it all together, how does the Young Chef Olympiad function and within its AI-driven ecosystem? Can you please, throw some light on that?
Yes, the Young Chef Olympiad 2026 combines competition, education, and culture exchange within the IHM's AI framework.
So it was a great discussion. And as we conclude, what key message would you tell the listeners take away from Nigeria's participation in the global hospitality framework and with the IHM's Young Chef Olympiad?
Nigeria's involvement highlights its rich heritage, while IHM's framework ensures culturally responsible and future ready hospitality education.
Wow, that's a powerful example for tradition meeting innovation. Thank you so much for sharing these insights, and thank you, our listeners, for tuning in.
Thank you.